Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. If you want to know how to get that hairline on fleek and the best tools to pluck, then keep on watching. Ciao. So this is the before and after of my plucking, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look how thick that was. It was super thick. So I'm showing you the best tool to pluck with. The best tool to pluck with is scissor tweezers. Like, these are the best ones to pluck with because you get that grip and you get that hair up out of that frontal because it's looking pretty thick. So the simplest thing that you want to do is get a picture mimicking someone else's hairline or whatever you want your hairline to be. I'm just personally going straight because it's my first time doing this. You already know me and my mom struggle with plucking hairlines, so that's why we don't pluck them, but we have to, and we definitely have to do it. So I know you're looking right now and I know you see a difference of me plucking. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the tweezers and I'm actually plucking part of the hairline, which is the end of the hairline, and then I'm going all the way to the other side. So I pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, and that's how I do it. That's all you have to do, and you pluck to your desire, but try not to overplug because I keep doing that. I did kind of overplug the middle part and just a little bit on the sides, but it looked cute to me. I don't know, everybody was on Instagram was like, oh, that's cute. I know you did that. But you know, I'm gonna keep practicing. Practice makes perfect, but this I just feel is the easiest way to get your hairline on fleek. So all you have to do is follow what I'm doing and get these scissor tweezers, the best product that you can use and invest in. They're only like $6. Blonde, I will leave it in the description down below. The best tools that you can use to pluck with. And it's going to get tiring because at a certain point I was getting really tired, y'all. Really tired. Don't forget to go check out their hair in the description right below. This is CFA hair, y'all. So check them out in the description right below. This is the longest that I went in. This one is a 24 inch. Boy, did I do all 24? I'm not for sure, but the links will be in the description right below as well. I love this frontal, and this is jet black. It is jet black. I thought it was a 1B, but it's really black, y'all. It even looks black on pictures. So follow these steps, and your hairline will be on fleek. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the curling part of the tutorial.